This is one of my favorite ornamental grasses, and it's called fountain grass. Now, the thing is, there's a lot of confusion now. There's a lot of native fountain grasses and things on the market, and it's hard to get the right one. Botanically, this one here is called Setaceum as its second name. So it's a Pennisetum Setaceum. It has lovely fine evergreen foliage, doesn't grow too tall, and it has a beautiful sort of mauvey pink tone in the flower heads. But what I love most of all, and it's wonderful, we're in a bit of a breeze now, is it moves in the wind. So if you plant this with some sort of very stiff sort of sculptural plant, or a big topiary or something like that, and then you have this soft and moving nearby, it looks fabulous. But here they've mass planted it. They've done a big hedge of it down the driveway, and it frames the driveway just beautifully. Lovely, lovely, soft. But great thing is, it's very, very easy to grow. You can grow this almost anywhere, down the beach, wherever you want. It'll take frost, it'll take heat, it'll take drought, it'll take everything. Anybody can grow this anywhere, and I just love its softness, and I love the motion that you get in it. The important thing to get, when you buy it, make sure you get the right one. If you want this beautiful look like this, you buy the Pennisetum Setaceum. Beautiful.